now let's talk business. Kenya Airways says it might be forced to reduce its flights if the global aircraft component scarcity persists. Kenya Airways Managing Director Allan Kilavuka says some of its planes are grounded due to delays in scheduled maintenance, and there are not enough planes to help alleviate delays in affected routes.
If you fly Kenya Airways, you might have in recent days experienced delays or disruptions. The airline says this has been a result of aircraft component supply chain challenges that has occasioned delays in securing the vital parts required for maintenance of its fleet. In a statement, Kenya Airways Managing Director Allan Kilavuka says if the situation persists, the airline might be forced to reduce some of its frequencies on some routes. Kilavuka says the decision to reduce flights if the scarcity persists is due to shortage of planes to cover for the delay on the affected routes, as Russia produces 35% of the total titanium in the global market. KQ says it is fictionalizing its component support system program that will help fast-track the securing of components. The airline is also engaging their original equipment manufacturer partners to work on mitigation measures in a bid to stabilize the operations. The disruption in frequencies comes just months after the national carrier was forced to grapple with a 4-day pilot strike that saw the airline lose an estimated 2.1 billion shillings in missed revenue. Frederick Muki for Lunchtime News.